I seriously gotta go to the website and look up how much a Porsche costs. This is stupid. Alright, this is getting stupid. Go down. One more, girl. And there you go. Yeah, she listens. There's a rock right there. With my luck, I'm gonna hit the rock as I'm turning, slide, and then everyone's gonna laugh at me. You ran a red light, girl. Oh, see, Porsche with a spoiler. My weakness. Today we got Lil Wayne, not just Dedication 6, but all the songs that I have of Lil Wayne, which is hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds, and it's on shuffle. Aight. People need to start rapping their IAs. They look all the damn same, man. Live from the 504, it's Mr. Crazy Flow. Jumping like a bungee, no rope. Even in the dungeon, I glow. Even if it's sunny, I glow. Even if it's about money, I go. Nowhere, I'm nailed to the flow. Money controls where I go. It is the sail to my boat. And it's going down like there's a whale in the boat. And yes, I sip but I smoke. And yes, I sip that lean. Give me with that combination, making my eyes bleed. I'm a shark in the water. You damn it! Where my enemy be at? Where the sympathy at? I'm finna be dead. Lil Wayne, man. You guys gotta watch the live thing that he does for an hour with that. I don't have a problem with that. Calm down, Porsche. Calm down. You saw that? Calm the hell down. Sorry, sometimes I gotta unleash a side that I don't show you. Lots of times when I do this type of stuff, you guys don't get to see that part. That's a little too much for you two, if you know what I mean. A little too much. I said what's good, she said not much. I said guess what, she said what's up. I said I think we hook up. That was fourth gear, dog. Coming in and save me, yeah, baby. But lately, late night conversations on the sofa. I want late night conversation on your sofa with you guys. That's what I want. Can you guys give me that? When you hold it. Ooh, girls. Too far. M4. He's running away. He's running away. A car full of chicks, just like that, leaving my life. Leave like they all do. Oh, I thought it's a cold development. I was like, Cole, J. Cole. But it wasn't cold. It said child development. Porsche. So we haven't seen any supercars, but we've seen like a bajillion Porsches. I seriously gotta go to the website and look up how much a Porsche costs. This is stupid. Alright, this is getting stupid. And embarrassing. Whoa, look, another Porsche. See? Telling you guys, man. I'm telling you guys, man. Look at all that. I wanna be McLaren. GTS, oh, big deal. Don't be a little beep and close on me. Alright. Don't be a little beep. See, I can't listen to R&B when I ride. It gives me needs. Imagine it was late at night. I'm talking like, I don't know, 3 a.m. or some shit. And you were in the middle down there, on the bottom and there. Imagine that. There's no lights or anything down there. Imagine if you were there all by yourself late at night. How awesome would that be? Blair Witch Project. Live out the Blair Witch Project. So usually I wouldn't lane split in this position. But this car PO'd me. I don't know, for some reason. The way it was driving. So I just cut. Simple as that. I just cut. Just like that. I don't want to, but he gave me no choice. Don't blaze by me like that. What up, security? Saw I mean mugged him. He knew what was up. He knew what was up. I should have done that because it threw my symmetry off. Because as I did that, it shook the bike. I could have fell and died. Dude, you gotta seriously go on a diet, dog. It's like you're freaking pregnant. You buy that, both of you need to invest in motorcycles, seriously. Leave the bicycling in the spinning room at a gym where all the MILFs are at. MILF hunting. Ooh, M3. I could destroy the hell out of an M3. Should I? Nah, I don't think we'll peel out. Yield to oncoming booty. Alright, thank you. Will do. Will do. Murcielago. See how nice I am? I waved to him even though I was on a stop sign and my life was on the line. Alright, dude, you're seriously cramping my style here. Big booty hunting. And there you go, Ferrari. You just gotta wait for it. It happens, you just gotta wait for it. We just gotta catch up to it. That's the fun part. It's like chasing booty. Real life, like women. We got one Lambo, one Aston Martin, one Porsche. That's about it. Alright. And another Porsche with a spoiler. Alright, we should be good. Please no traffic, please. Please no traffic. Come to Papa. We gotta spot that red thing right there. This is too easy. Come on, man. You were on the road and I was in a parking lot. Come on, man. Or a shopping center. This is getting a little too easy for me nowadays. But it's cool. Let's see if we can have some fun with it. We've caught up to it already. It's right there. You guys can see it probably better than I can because you guys are looking through a camera lens. But hopefully it'll turn. You know what? I'm sorry, but...
Oh, hell no!
Yeah, I almost got hit over there. That was close. That was my fault. Clearly my fault. It would be so much more fun if you turned. There you go. Is he gonna turn? Because then that's no fun. Oh, there's a kid in the car, never mind. It is loud. Another Ferrari right there.
Walk to you.
Lambo. There's a McLaren and Lambo combo. Please, someone turn left. What, Ferrari? We're not gonna catch up to the Lambo and McLaren, but that Ferrari wasn't gonna do anything anyway, so. Come on, man. Probably won't be able to catch up to it. I don't even know what direction they're going. Yeah, they probably blazed through already. I'm on the dealership, roof to flows, Porsche. And that's if they even turned here. I really don't think they turned here. I don't know why I get that feeling. Yeah, they're not here. So we're after a Ferrari with a Tesla that was speeding. Saw a McLaren and a Lambo combo. Turned around for it and missed it. I had a guess. I guessed that they went this way. I was wrong. Alright, so we missed that on everything pretty much. That's cool. Seeing it is fun. Chasing it down is fun. And guess what it is? Another Porsche. Enough! Enough! Buy something else! It's like a freaking Prius. Everyone has one. I get it if you tricked it out and whatnot, but still, come on. Trick another car out. With all the money you're spending on mods, trick something else out. I don't know why I enjoy doing this so much. Just chasing things down. I don't know why. The possibility of something happening, the possibility of nothing happening. It's fun. You never know what's gonna happen. Another Porsche. Oh my god. Autorate. Not interested. I don't know why I'm just not interested in Audi R8s, which I call Autorates. I was like, hey. Oh, this place smells so good. Flowers. Ha 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 ha. Sometimes I just want to close my eyes and just keep riding straight. I know that's dangerous and I'll die, but I don't know why. Curious. Oh, perfect Prius. Don't even use your blinker. How about I take that blinker and shove it up your butt since you're not using it? See, I don't like this guy because he's loud. Then I think it's a car coming, like, you know, like somebody that Mr. wants to oomph with, and it's not. It's just this car just being loud. So it's like, plus that, and since it's loud, it's overbearing because I'm next to it. I can't hear other exhausts and things like that. I gotta use my senses to spot cars. It's not as easy as it looks. You gotta use all your senses. They gotta be alert. Front, back, side to side, like Chris Brown says. Oh my God, another damn Porsche, and then another damn Porsche. Oh my. None of them are even effing with me. So what's the point? You know what I mean? McLaren! Stop with that exhaust! No one likes you! There's a biker up there too, but it's not a sports bike rider. Ooh, M2. Female? Female? I can't tell. She's wearing purple. We're gonna assume it's a female. Porsche. Another Porsche. God damn. At this point, I'm ready to make love to this GTR. Or a GT. Rather than a Porsche. It's like a rebound. No, it's like avenging. No, it's like revenge on a Porsche. I'll make love to this GT. Not the guy, the car. The guy is old and wrinkly. Excuse me. Ooh, girl. Chica. Chica. She looked at me like, she wants a little piece of that. Ooh, rider. Why couldn't he be a sports bike rider? Why couldn't that rider and this rider switch places? I don't want to ride with you. I want to ride with a sports bike rider because they dirty. They dirty. They naughty. They're not even nice.
Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty, but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children, love like R and J. You were too good.